Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. By the way, before I say anything, like and subscribe. We appreciate it. So what do we have here today? Oh, before I go, that is our telephone number if you have questions. So what do we have here today? Come on here, John. Let's go see what we got here. What do we have? We got a new Ford Maverick. And what did we do to it? Well, we put a Revolver X4s, by X4s. By Bak Industries. Now, before I go and open it and show you how it works, what's nice about this, it is a low profile. See how it sits in the bed? So you got a nice flat look here, super clean. I tell you, looks wise, I think this is top notch. Look how nice this looks on this truck. I tell you, John, swing around, get a great look on it, because a lot of people want to know, how does it look? As you can see, it looks great. Now, this cover does have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. That's right, 5. If we install it for you, we gets the 10. That's right. Now that promotion is not forever, but right now we're doubling the warranty. If we put it on for you, we give you 1 year on the labor as well. So I tell you, this thing looks great. I tell you, it's a sharp cover. So let's go in here, show you how everything works. Now, you got a small bed on these Mavericks, but what's nice about this cover, it doesn't eat up a lot of, if any, of the bed space. So you got a release mechanism here. You notice that there's one on both sides. I know a lot of manufacturers only doing the driver's side, but if you want to release it from the passenger side, you can on this. Also, if you look here, see that big seal here? This is going to sit really snug with the tailgate. That's going to help a lot with the water, and I like that a lot. Now, this is when they're newer model, so instead of being silver, this is black. They also put this little rubber piece here, and why is that there? Well, in case this gets a little hot, this is more comfortable on your hand. So you just kind of roll it all the way up here. Now, what's nice about this, if you notice, you're not losing any space in the bed. Also, when it's rolled all the way up, it does not cover the window. So when you're driving, you're going to take this little sucker, you're going to put it right in there. Basically, put it in there, turn it sideways, and you just snug on up here. So, which I didn't. There we go. There we go. So, basically, I should have snugged it up first, but I leave the bloopers in. But basically, take it like that, locks in there. This way you can drive with up, you're not blocking your window. Everything in this works and looks really good. Again, it has a great 5-year warranty. You have all your room in here. I tell you, I like the Revolver. I think it's a great cover. Now, when you go to close it, of course, it locked on its own, but generally you want to push both sides down. I know a lot of times people put one side, the other side won't close. Make sure you push it both sides there. And again, you can open and close your tailgate while the cover is closed. I know some covers require to close the tailgate first and then close the cover. You do not have to do that with this. So you can open and close this. So that's why that is good. Let's say it's raining, you want to just throw something in there. You don't have to open the cover, you just throw your stuff in there, close it up. Again, this is a great look. As installations go, this one's not too bad. Sometimes Mavericks can be a little bit more tricky, but this one was pretty much a standard setup. From a scale from 1 to 7, it's like a 4 or 5, not too hard. So if you want to do this yourself, not a problem. We can ship this anywhere in the country. Give us a call. We'll send it to you. You have it probably in a few days. Or you can come here in the store and have us put it on. Of course, if we put it on, we double the warranty, which is wonderful. Again, I'm Chris doing a review of the Revolver X4s by Bak Industries on the Ford Maverick. Thank you.